from Taj Motor Medics. I've got a Nissan Qashqai+2 here on a 2008 plate. Just done a service on this. I've done an MOT, tyres and a service on it, just an oil change. I'm going to show you how to reset it, even though it's not due yet, but we'll show you. If you come in, if you look in the display right in the middle there, you'll see it'll tell you it's got 10,000 miles left yet. So what I need to do is switch the ignition off. Got to be ready, right? Switch the ignition. When you switch the ignition on, within 5 seconds you got to press and hold this button. Switch the ignition on, press and hold this button, keep hold of it till the spanner light starts flashing. You then let go of the button, you press it again. Now that's done to 12,000 miles. Now if you do want to change it, what you could do, turn it to left and right so you can your desire mileage whatever you want. So if you wanted it 7,000 miles, you get the service done every 7,000 miles, but I'll put it back to 12,000 and then I switch the ignition off. Well, what I'll do now, switch the ignition on, still not done. So what I need to do is just going to do it again. Switch the ignition on, press and hold this button. Let go of this button, press it once. I'm not going to do anything else, so we just stop. That's it. So if I switch the ignition off, switch the ignition on, now it's 12,000 miles. Now same thing if you wanted to do it. So switch the ignition on, hold this button. If you want to change the mileage, so you turn right. Sorry, you press it once again, then you turn right, left to 12,000 miles, and then you let go. That should stop and it will say oil good. That's all you had to do on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, there is a playlist on Nissan. You can check it out. You can check out other videos like bulbs and etc, etc. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video. Thank you and goodbye.